And I'm going to show you a magic trick for nighttime when you guys are hungry and you don't want to add a lot of calories to you. So you want your calories to be eaten mostly during the day because you don't want, you don't need them at night. At night you're going to go to bed. So what I got here is a glass of hot water. I am going to use a tablespoon of oat fiber. 1 tablespoon of oat fiber is 9 grams of fiber and no calories. So you're going to drink this and get full on no calories. That's what's awesome about oat fiber. Now, oat fiber alone tastes like cardboard. It's nasty. You have to decorate it. You got to dress it up, make it taste good. So I'm adding a little bit of sweetie, like however much you put in this cup of coffee, that's how much sweetie you're going to get, okay? And then I'm going to mix it. This drink with oat fiber and sweetie, in my opinion, is delicious. The one thing I'm going to tell you guys you got to do, it settles to the bottom, so you do have to kind of keep stirring it, okay? Just remember that. So this is what it looks like. You can drink it, and I'm gonna let you guys know something about oat fiber. So look at me, just like coffee is more satiating than tea, like nobody drinks tea and says, oh, I'm so full. But sometimes you can drink coffee and you feel full and it keeps you for a couple hours. This is literally about 10 times more satiating than 1 cup of coffee. That's how filling it is. So even if you got the munchies at night and you're hungry, okay? If you eat this pancake, this is just the Baker's Basic with egg whites and Greek yogurt. This whole pancake is 148 calories, 16 grams protein, 7 grams fiber, 4 grams of fat, and it's only 3 net carbs. So if you're starving, even eating this for 150 calories is nothing. But if you eat this and this, you drink this and you eat this, you're going to feel like you have the most absolutely filling meal in the whole wide world right before you go to bed, and you only ate 150 calories. That's what I'm saying, guys. The stuff we sell here at Healthy Treats Market works. I don't just sell stuff that's keto. I don't believe in dirty keto. I'm big on clean, and I only sell what works for me. So if it works for me, I sell it, I make videos on it, and do things like this. Okay, guys? We love you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to visit HealthyTreatsMarket.com for more recipes. And if you live nearby, come to the Davison Farmers Market. We're here Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, 9 to 5. Thanks for watching. God bless you.